So this question wants us to identify the inequalities that show this region here. So let's just look at the horizontal and vertical ones first, because they're the easiest. So the region is above this line here. So if I have a look at this line, it's cutting the y-axis at 4, so that's y equals 4. Now it's above 4, so its y is bigger than 4, because the arrow is directing above it, and it's a solid line, so it's actually going to be y is bigger than or equal to 4, so that's our first inequality there. Then we've got the vertical line, which is this one, and the region is to the left of this line. Now this line is cutting the x-axis at 4, so this line is x is 4, and the region is anything that's less than 4, because it's to the left, so it's x is less than 4, and it's a dotted line, so it's not equal to. So my answer is just x is less than 4. And then the last one is this line here, which is a slightly harder one. Now the first thing I need to do is figure out y equals mx plus c, to figure out what that line is. So we look at, for 1 across, so if I pick a nice point, if I pick this point here, so 1 across, which is going to be this square, how many up? So for 1 across, it's actually from 4 to 6, so it's 2 up, so my gradient is 2, so it's y equals 2x, and it's crossing the y-axis at 2, so it's plus 2. So I now need to decide whether it's greater than or less than, and to do this, the easiest way is to pick a point that's in the region. If I pick this point here, and this point is 3, 7, that's my x part and that's my y part, and let's substitute it into the equation that we've got. So I've got that y is 7, and I've got that 2 times 3 is 6, add 2, so 7, 6 add 2 is 8, so we can see that 7 is less than 8. It's also a solid line, so I do need to make sure it's an equal to as well. So if I put that all into my equation, I've got y is less than or equal to 2x plus 2. So I've got my 3 equations that are my answers. X is bigger than 4. Sorry, x is less than 4. Y is bigger than or equal to 4. And y is less than or equal to 2x plus 2.